In this video, I'm going to show you how to blend photos with each other in Adobe Express. So to create a smooth and artistic composition. So first, make sure you are on the official website of Adobe Express and already log in with your credentials. So now, as you can see, I already create a project in here, but if you want to create a fresh from the scratch, you can click the create button on the upper left corner. So now in here, we're going to paste to the available assets here in Adobe Express. So click this um, photos. You can also use your uploaded photos of yours. Just upload it in here. You can use their elements available here in Adobe Express. So we're going to search for PNGs. So for example, now I'm going to search for a background first. So we'll look for a background. So I'm going to select this background photos. So now search for forest. And yeah, I think okay, back it. I think this is the better background for showing how to blend photos. So now we're going to search for a PNG or anything a PNG or transparent photo. So we'll just type it PNG. So we're going to look for some photo that we can blend in here. And this is what I want. So as you can see, the difference of lights from the bird element and to the background. So in order to blend it, we can adjust the opacity or customize the lightnings of these elements. And you can also use a gradient mask, like just simply click the shapes and then add a gradient overlay and then set one side to transparent and place it over the image edges for a soft blend. You can also use their erase tool or to remove a harsh edges. Unfortunately, I couldn't use it for now because it only available for a premium users. So let's adjust it. So we can adjust their blur, so on with the sharpness of the photo. And so once you're satisfied, assuming we are satisfied in here, you can click the download button and choose the PNG or JPG format, and then share your blended images directly to social media from Adobe Express. And that's how you blend photos in Adobe Express. If this video helped, if you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to the YouTube channel.